Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting your materials and moving immediately into a test print so you learn printer behavior. Load printable sticker paper into the tray and open your design at 300 dpi. This ensures sharp edges. Once done, scale artwork to the sheet size and print a draft on plain paper to check alignment and colors. Make sure to flip or mirror images if needed for transfer stickers. This prevents wasted sheets and sets you up for clean cuts. You now refine color and protection. Tweak saturation and profiles to match your vision because printer output often shifts tones. Once satisfied, consider clear laminate to protect ink. Apply slowly from one edge and smooth with a squeegee to avoid bubbles. After lamination, align your design on the cutting mat and either trace with a craft knife for organic shapes or load into a cutting machine for exact borders. Be deliberate with pressure and feed to maintain crisp outlines, and you finish by weeding away the unwanted paper and gently peeling to reveal the sticker edge. Apply to a clean, dry surface. Use alcohol to remove oils and ensure strong adhesion. If a sticker lifts, press firmly and hold for a few seconds. Heat with a hairdryer for stubborn edges to activate adhesive. If colors misalign or prints shift, recalibrate your printer and reprint a small proof rather than a full sheet. This saves material and quickly resolves registration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.